can put it downwards. I might have pressed the...
You've pressed something, but that's okay. I don't think it's filming.
Cat's in.
Book's in.
No, just...
Oh, great! You're leaving dirty marks.
He's into about to there, where my hand is.
Okay, and
here you're into here. Just there.
Right. We shall begin. Today I thought I'd show you a junk journal that I actually use as a recipe book. This one is not for sale. This was actually one of the first junk journals that I made, and I have redone the spine a couple of times and it's still loose. I just can't get these buttons to go tight enough, but they don't appear to be going anywhere, they're not breaking, so I've left them there. Right. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, you see the signature is loose. It should be like that, right up close, and it's moving. I think perhaps I will have to rebind that. Anyway, this little pocket here has a menu in it from a Christmas feast that we gave here on the finca a few years ago now. Did I date it? 21st of December 2018, and I've got a list of the guests, and everything was cooked in the outdoor wood-fired oven and barbecue. Yeah, we're not all here anymore. And I have some markers to keep track of the pages. Some hints and tips from an old recipe book. Some recipes copied in here. That's just loose. That's from this year, in fact. Some little bits and bobs. What have I got in there? Ah, some recipes. Herbs for game and poultry. Diem biscuits with lemon curd. Diem is actually it's a new type of flour that is grown in Spain, and it's been developed to cope with climate change. Unfortunately, it's very expensive and I can only get it from one place, so I don't actually have any very often. Fried ham and cheese sandwich, yum yum, was my son's favourite, that was. And apple squash and cheese risotto. If anybody likes the sound of any of these recipes, shout out and I'll send you a copy. Traditional Peruvian hot chocolate. Cured pork chops. Nothing in that one. Anyway, I should be here all day unless I flip through rather quickly. Not only does it have recipes, but it also just has blank postcards as well. Things that I have picked up and collected over the years. This one is quite important for me. This was a birthday card from my late mother-in-law, and she enclosed a recipe from the paper that she thought I would like. Black olive tapenade toasts with anchovy and capers. And on the back we've got fig, almond and strawberry tartlets with brown sugar. I have actually made this one, I haven't done the fig one. Again, this signature is loose. Very difficult to do this bookbinding stuff. Loads of blank pages. This book will last me for years, literally years. Yep, loose again. Spicy sausage rice. Good old Jamie Oliver there. That's space for more recipes. As you can see, this book is going to keep me going for a long time. Preserved lemons. That is also a recipe that has been sent to me by family, and a lemon drizzle cake, so it's all lemon in there. That's hamburger buns. A few bits and bobs in here, and homemade mayonnaise. Yeah. Beef kofta curry. And again, I might have to rebind this at some point, but I'm not going to do it until it actually falls apart. In spite of it being loose, it's remarkably robust. Lemonade, that's a birthday card. Slimmer's Punch dumplings. Bay leaves from my bay tree. Sugar mice, banana pancakes, yum. Moroccan beans, lemony broccoli salad, lettuce soup, sesame sticky sauce. Yep, plenty room for more. Number 5 is alive. Who remembers that? Mango chicken. My Japanese ladies. That's not actually stuck in. Just beautiful. Oh, this one's fun. I like this. This paper, this was a bag from a shop. A Christmas purchase, I think. Rice cooker lunch. Cook everything in the rice cooker all at once. And a cute postcard from Guernsey. And there you go. I hope all of that was in shot. I am trying out, that's my kettle. My huge apologies for that, but there's clearly a cup of tea on the way. Thank you guys for watching. This particular junk journal is not for sale, but there are journals for sale in my Etsy shop. The link will be down below. And thank you for watching. If you would like to see more, subscribe to the channel. And perhaps I will film a repair on this at some point.